Hey guys, let's do our new combination. Intermediate to advanced. Basic first. 1, 2, 3, so bend the lead. 5, 6 over the head, catch underneath. 1, 2, go up. 5, 6, hand behind. 1, 2, 3, maybe goes up the hand. 1, 2, 3, let go of the left, catch again. Preparation to a double turn. Guys, go in behind your back. 5, 6, 7, change hand. 1, 2, progressional turns. 5, 6, 7. Over 2, 3, shoulder lead and stalker. 1, 2, prep, double turn, connect. Now we're going to do reverse sedenda lead. And 1, 2 next to you. 5 and roll in. Over the head. 5, 6, round with the hand. 1, 2, change. 5, 6, open up. 1, 2, 3, grab, turn the lady. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, over the head. Now we're going to do the tango slide. And 1, 2, 3, let's see that to music.